I'm done. Hey guys, so today is clean house day. I just finished vacuuming around the house. Let me ask you guys something. Okay, when it's time to clean your house, is there a particular room that you start off with first? Like, do you clean your kitchen first and then do all the other rooms after the kitchen is done? Me, I start off with the bathrooms. I clean the bathrooms first because that is the room that I just dread the most. It's messy, it's wet, and it's, you know, you get down and dirty cleaning a bathroom. As far as the toilet, the tub, the shower. Speaking of showers, I want to give a big thank you to Inhousolu for sponsoring today's video. They have sent me a wonderful gift that is going to come in handy. And mothers, those of you who have teenage boys, take note. This is going to help you out. I am so fortunate to receive a wonderful package from Inhousolu Home Decor, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this right now for you guys. Here it is. Ooh, this is nice. So this is Inhousolu Home Decor. It's a shower curtain with 100% polyester. I got the measurement 72 by 72. This shower curtain is not just any old shower curtain. This is a no-hook shower curtain crafted with high-end fabrics, and it comes in a variety of colors and sizes. As you can see, the measurements are here. So what I did was I took a measuring tape. I measured from the wall to the wall. I went inside the shower and I measured from the pole down to the shower floor. This shower curtain is water resistant. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so we can see what it feels like. Oh. So here's the top. It's a no-hook shower curtain. You can easily open it up and slide your poles through it. So this is very nice quality. It's a very thick quality. It's extremely soft to the touch. Guess what, ladies? Mothers out there, okay? I'm helping you out here. So you have your shower curtain and you have your water-resistant liner inside. You can throw this in the washing machine. Let's look at the liner. So this is a snap-in fabric liner. You can take them off, and when you take them out the dryer, you can snap it back on. Snap-in liner, which is soft to the touch, water resistant. And here's your shower curtain. This no-hook shower curtain, crafted with high-end fabrics, come in a varieties of colors and sizes. They feature water-resistant materials, soft to the touch, no-hook design, snap-in fabric liner, durable quality, all at a reasonable price. We're gonna go in Denim's bathroom and hang this up, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, we have made it into Denim's bathroom. As you see, the shower curtain he's been using, I had to put the hooks. You have to buy everything separately, okay? You gotta get your shower curtain, you gotta get your plastic liner, and as you see up here, I had to get hooks. With this shower curtain, we don't need any of that. This is a one-stop shop. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You have to take these hooks off one by one. No more hooks, okay? No more. After today, that is it. A magnet bar right here. That's what helps it stay sturdy. I think I did good with the measurements, guys. What a perfect upgrade to any bathroom style. Thank you once again to Inhousolu Home Decor for sponsoring today's video. Bye. y'all. So I'm cleaning house. I got my music playing. I'm in the zone. I'm doing my thing. And the doorbell rings. So you know what that means, right? I got a package. So let's go ahead. Let's take a break, okay? Because your girl been cleaning bathrooms for the past 2 hours. 3 full baths and 1 powder room. Intermission time. Let's go ahead and open up this package. They know me. I know they like, this girl, Niki here, boy. She's staying in packages. Yes, I know. This looks like it's a pair of shoes. Man, look at my box. Look at the box, y'all. Why did they do that to your girl? And then had the nerve to put a rubber band on it. Oh my gosh. But this is from Jessica Simpson. I purchased this with my own money. I'm looking real busted, y'all. I'm sorry. You know, it's cleanup day. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh, I wanted these so bad. Oh my gosh, I wanted these shoes so bad, and it was sold out for months. I came across these shoes back in May, and I immediately checked her website and it was sold out. It's been sold out since May. I checked Dillard's, I checked DSW. Where else did I look? Was it Macy's? They didn't have them. So I got an alert because I put notify me when they come back in stock. They just came back in stock. So I had to order these, y'all. These are so freaking cute. This is like a 3.5-inch heel. I'm gonna try it on because I'm curious. I ordered my true size 6.5. Now let me see how my feet looking like my feet. Look, I've been cleaning the house today, okay? So my feet looking a little dry. And I'm not going to lotion my feet. Not right now. Look at the padding on here. It's like a thick cushion in here. Even at the bottom, like this is well made. So let's go ahead and try these on. Perfect. These fit perfect. I freaking love these shoes, okay? Yes. These are so nice. Ladies, you gotta get yourself a pair of these. They are only like 3.5-inch heel. Oh my God, I feel like I can walk in these all day. That cushion at the bottom is everything. Yes, ladies, these are so sexy. I believe she had them in like a lime green, a red, a silver, a gold, a white, and a black. But the yellow stood out to me. Yes. Keep your eyes on me about it. Hey guys, Grand Rising. Happy Saturday. We have made it to another weekend. Yes, so your girl been out early, y'all. I left the house at 8:08 a.m. I wasn't playing. I had some things I need to do. So I went to the bank, and now I am sitting here in front of, let me show you. Can y'all see? I am sitting in front of Bath and Body Works. They are having a sale on wallflowers, and that's what I needed. They just completed their sale with the candles, but I didn't want candles. I don't need candles, I should say. So let me tell you what the sale is in case you guys, by the time you guys see this video, the sale will be gone. Here it is. Bath and Body Works. Their wallflowers are $3.50 today only. Sorry guys, you guys are gonna miss it, but yeah, that's what I'm getting. I need like 10 wallflowers, and I need maybe 10 plugins because the ones I have at home, I don't know which ones are working and which one are dead. So I'm just going to replace all of them. After I leave here, I want to go to Sephora. There's some things I need to replace, ladies. Y'all know how it is. That Sephora run, when you know, I only go to Sephora when I run out of things. So these are the things I need to replace in Sephora. This is the best mascara, hands down. It's by Ilia. eyebrow pencil, and I need my liquid liner, waterproof eyeliner. So that's what we're gonna do after this. I didn't eat anything. I had my coffee, which is finished, and I should have brought my water with me because now I'm thirsty. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. But yeah, I just wanted to start my vlog off and say I'm back with another video. If you are new here, my name is Nikki, and I try to drop a video every week, but if I don't, it's going to be every 2 weeks. On this platform, you're going to see me ranting, talking in the car a lot. I like to shop. I love to do unboxing videos, cleaning, cooking. You know, I'm a mom, you know, a work from home mom, a stay at home mom. I'm going on vacation really soon, guys, and that's why I'm out here now early, trying to gather up some things. I did want to go to Walmart and pick up some other stuff, but Sweetie's going. My husband, I call him Sweetie. Sweetie is going to Walmart, so I'll probably go with him later on or just give him my list. And yeah, so I'm just here to share my world with the world. That's about it. Welcome aboard. So looks like people are getting ready to go. They're not even open yet. There is a line outside Bath and Body Works. Let's go ahead. Looks like they just opened the door. We are going to Bath and Body Works. See you in the store. Peace.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes.
I'm good, thank you. How are you? Yes. Good.
Here you are.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Have a great day.
You too. Y'all, so I decided not to go to Sephora right now. I'm hungry. It's 10:43. Just left Bath and Body Works, and I just left Chick-fil-A. And so I'm ordering my food. Breakfast is over, which I'm kind of disappointed about that because I wanted an egg white sandwich with orange juice. But breakfast is over, which is okay. So I end up getting, y'all should know, you know, I love my large fries with my honey mustard dipping sauce. So I got that. I got mac and cheese. And then I got a large, they call it Sunjoy, which is like lemonade and sweet tea. I got that. And guess what, guys? I didn't have to pay nothing because I got over 6,000 points on my Chick-fil-A app. Hold on, let me pay attention. Yes, y'all, I got over 6,000 points on Chick-fil-A, so I didn't have to pay for anything. I didn't. Let me see if I could, how many points I have now, because he was like, whoa, he said, do you have, oh shit. He said, do you have any reward points? I was like, wow, I never really looked at it like that. I don't know. So now it dropped. I'm down to 4,701 points. So, wow, that's cool. I didn't have to pay for anything. Yay. I want to go home. I've been out this house since 8:08. It's 10:44. I'll come back out later on. I do need to go to Sephora. I do need to go to Walmart. And, yeah. This is so good. Sweet tea and lemonade. I bought a lot of plugins, y'all. Wallflowers. I don't even know. I think the limit is 24. I bought 24. It's Saturday. My house is nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and change out all my plugins because honestly, some of them have been sitting in there and they feel like, it looks like they haven't even been, like the thing is off. This is so good, fresh and hot and salty. 100% cream coconut. And this is what mommy prepped for me. So we have the thyme, scallion, onions, some pepper. Here's the peas that was boiled, and we are ready to put all of that into here and let it, you'll see what we're gonna do. Rice and peas.
Tell me why you're crying, I'm getting big you. When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you coming to my yard uninvited. Can't you see me on the edge? I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, I want you to be clear, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was
Guys, your girl had to take a break from being in that kitchen. Seriously. I've been in that kitchen since 11:30. It is now 3:22. I'm done. I'm tired. I don't know how my mom does it. I don't know how she do it. My mom could sit in the kitchen from the crack of dawn till damn near midnight. We're cooking dinner, and she's showing me how to make Jamaican style rice and peas. So I have an idea how to make it, but I've never made it myself from scratch. You know what I'm saying? So she's been watching me, and that's what you guys been seeing in this video. I'm having a nice drink. I am drinking mango passion fruit with Jamaican white rum. It's pretty good. Tonight's dinner we have salmon and rice and peas, baked mac and cheese, cornbread, and salad and some gravy. Yeah, so out of all of that, the only thing I made was or is the rice and peas, the salad, and the cornbread. My mom's making the mac and cheese and the gravy and the salmon. Yeah, that's our Sunday dinner. It feels so nice out here now. Oh, the breeze is beautiful. I'm about to put my music back on. I've been vibing to Bob Marley today, and I was supposed to go to Sephora. That's not gonna happen unless I go later on this evening. I could do that. Alright, y'all, let me not ramble, because you already know I am good for the ramble.